Good morning, everyone. Welcome to KITP. I'm Lars Bildsten, the director here. It's really my pleasure to welcome you all and start by asking the first question I always like to ask. For how many of you is this morning your first time at the KITP? Wow. Okay, fantastic. That's what we like. Looks like it's more than half, so well done, conference coordinators. So let me first start by thanking all of those who've pulled this together on the scientific side. So Vera has been, of course, the program coordinator and leading the charge. So Vera, thank you. Annika, where's Annika? There's Annika, has been doing the... We need a round of applause for each name, please. Kim, thank you for your work. And Kim will be the first session chair, so she has a very special job, which is to ensure that speakers stay on time. So give her a big round of applause. And where is Ethan? Oh, Ethan's right here. And thank you, Ethan, for all your work. Okay, so since many of you are new to the KITP, I want to say a little bit about how we operate, how we decide what to do. We respond to ideas from you, the community. Every year around November, we have a call for pre-proposals for programs. We are right now wrapping up planning through summer 2026. So basically, for 2 years from today, we pretty much know what we're doing. The first half of that is visible. The next half will become visible in about 3 weeks. We're right now wrapping up all of the work having to do with each program that we have approved. That work is done with KITP's advisory board, working closely with us here at KITP. We really do like getting pre-proposals, and we view it as a development process. So for those of you who are interested in that, while you're here, let me introduce Mark Bowick, who's the deputy director. So Mark will be around. I'll be around. Also, former members of the advisory board. So Riza is here. Riza, raise your hand in case nobody knows you. Okay. I'm trying to think who else is familiar with the process. Of course, the coordinators have all done it, so they can also describe it from their angle. But what we really like to do is take ideas from the community, work with the coordinators to develop those into these long programs. So this is a 4-day conference associated with a long program. The long programs, 6 to 10 weeks, is really our hallmark. That's what we like to do, about 25 to 30 people here every day in those programs, with the goal being to really generate an environment of collaboration. And that's why we also emphasize the time for questions at the conference as well. And so, as I said, Kim will be doing a great job at keeping the speakers on time so that everybody gets to speak. And if it works well, I can tell you in the first day, the rest goes smoothly. Everybody gets it, and we move on. Everything we do at the KITP is recorded. And so all of our online talks, of which there's about 23,000 at this point, are watched every day. About 500 hours of viewing is always occurring daily of all the talks. So the talks and discussion are recorded. For that reason, please use the microphones when you're asking questions so that the questions get recorded. But in addition, because there's a Zoom presence, that also allows those who are out there on Zoom to actually hear the questions as well as the answers. Okay, so let's not turn it into Jeopardy where you only hear. Okay, only one person got it. Thank you, Anna. Okay, so that's kind of how we roll, and I think it should be an exciting time. A few other logistics and thank yous. Of course, none of this would be happening without Claudia, who's our conference coordinator. So Claudia. And of course, on the IT side, we have Craig Kunamoto. So thank you, Craig. And Alina, who's out there, I think she's Alina KITP. I'm looking to see if she's visible. But Alina, who's in charge of all of our online recording and has emailed all of the speakers as well, reminding them to please upload their slides. So thank you, Alina. We know you're out there. Okay, so there's another program happening right now at KITP. It just started today. It's plasma and kinetics. Those people will think that all of the food in the courtyard is their welcome party, but it's not. It's for you. And so all of the breaks, dinners, and lunches are in the courtyard. Please wear your name tag so that we know that you're a member of this conference, not one of the recent people who've arrived and feel like there's a big welcome party for them all week long. Okay, so that's why we have the name tags and our staff. So please sort of be respectful of that. Restrooms, there's 2 restrooms down the hall to the left. There's a gender-neutral restroom sort of dead down this hall to the right. And I think otherwise I'm looking at Claudia, what I'm forgetting. Oh, there's restrooms upstairs as well. Yeah, very good. Above these on the first floor. We have a code of conduct, which is in your packets and also placed right outside the door. There's different signs for the code of conduct. So I please ask that everyone respect that. And with no further ado, Vera asked to say a few words. So I'm going to hand it over to Craig. Did I miss something? Nope. Okay, you had that look. Claudia. Extra dinners, great. If you want to bring someone extra for dinner, please tell Claudia soon, like today, so that she can add the head count and collect the dinner fee for any extra person. Okay, Vera, over to you.
Thank you, Lars, for making our jobs very easy. So good morning, everybody. Welcome to Cosmic Signals of Dark Matter. So as Lars mentioned, this conference is a part of a larger program on dark matter theory, simulation, and analysis in the era of large surveys. And when we proposed for this program more than 2 years ago now, our vision was to bring into the same room 3 distinct communities whose work is critical to advancing towards the solution for dark matter. And today we have, we wanted to do this at the time when a lot of these next generation surveys are actually beginning. And so today we have, already data from DESI, Rubin's around the corner, Euclid's flying, Simon's Observatory has seen first lights. And I won't list them all, but there's a lot of observational data pouring in and beginning to pour in. That's all going to represent tremendous opportunities for discoveries. And so at this time, also the simulation community has made a lot of progress in forward modeling structures in the universe in various dark matter cosmologies. We've made a lot of progress in understanding the theoretical landscape of dark matter and also understanding what the implications are to cosmology on large scales, but also in the near field. And so we think that at this time, the fields that you all represent and the communication and connection between them is really critical to addressing the challenge of dark matter. So we really hope that the discussions you'll have opportunities for after every talk and also at the end of every day will give you ample opportunities to make connections, start collaborations, and make discoveries. So thrilled to have you all. Welcome and enjoy. I'm handing over to Kim.